territory, almost 2% negative. NVDA continues to sell off. As you know, we'll see if people are taking profits or what they're doing over there, Joey, but it is an interesting look. Guys, SMX is going to halt up. We're at the high of the day right now. Again, 62.14, false halt on SMX. Another halt parameter coming in here, 62.14. That still hasn't changed. We're showing 25 on the ask, 14 on the bid. Let's see if we get a couple of more seconds in this way. We'll get the gray out. And there it is. We are halted up again on SMX, $62.14, halt time 12 on the dot, 45. That tells me one thing, Joey. You want to guess what?
What? It's 12 o'clock.
12 o'clock.
12 o'clock in my truck. I don't know. I don't know how the song goes. Anyways, I'm in the gym. I'm playing hockey later. We're getting the double activity going. I hope you guys are staying active. You know what I mean? So this is how we rock and roll on the Friday. And then we're just doing some more work. So I'm looking forward to that. Yeah, and some family feud.
Some family feud.
Yeah, going
what does that mean?
Here at the desk. Yeah.
Yeah?
Are you playing? I'm putting you on the spot here.
Oh, yeah. Well, we'll see.
We'll see. All right, yeah. You already have gym in mind, don't you?
Of course. I'm always gymming. I've always got gym on my mind.
All right, man. That's what we both, we got gym on our mind. And
I haven't been here in a minute. I'm going to hang out.
Yeah, you're going to hang out.
I'm going to hang out. Why not?
We missed the What's for Lunch segment, but that's okay. We're going to go figure that out right now. Aside from that, guys, I hope everyone's had a fantastic session. It's Sharif and I. We're going to send it off to the big boys. Welcome back, my boy.
I appreciate you, bro.
Yo, everybody. Yeah, welcome back to the last hour. I guess this is now, Power Hour. Oh.
This is the hour.
With only 1 hour left. I mean, what are we supposed to do? And it's, good call on that one and good question there on the midday till 5. Yeah. So you said 4 to 6.
I said, I was like, I know it's somewhere around 4 to 6.
You nailed it. That's perfectly right. I mean, you got the average, you got the mean in there.
Yeah, exactly. So exactly, you got to just revert it to the mean. I can't give you everything.
Exactly. You answered it as per, so that was a good one there. But welcome back, everybody. What a great job Sia's been doing, filling in for Adara today. So we want to thank her for all of that. We want to thank all of you as well for coming in. I mean, everybody's just moving over right now. Mike Peter Ryder right here. Yummy Thai. Ooh, yummy Thai food right now in the chat as well. Investing to Travel is here. There's so much, like the names are just so different now that it's just like, I want to do like roll call, but it's getting out of hand. What's up? Brown Lightning, Artificial Cops is here. Obi is here. And Obi, make sure everybody knows Power Hour is in there right now. Yo, what's up, Derek Thompson? What's up to everybody that's in there right now, Bronson and everybody that's here. So thanks, glass half full. We're going to see if the glass could be half full today. Let's talk positive, right? I mean, no matter what the market's doing, it's up. Will it be red on the month? It looks like it will be. I mean, unless we get 2% move higher right now, the market will stay, the Nasdaq will stay red this month, which is fine by me. Many names are completely, in reasonable levels to look forward to for December. And now we are only 10 trading. Well, it's December 10th, so I guess we're roughly, it's Wednesday is December 10th, so we're about 8 or so trading days away, 7 or so trading days away from the next Fed rate cut, Obi, which is looking more and more likely as the days and the minutes go on here. Up to 87% when I checked this morning, and still 87% right there for a chance of a Fed rate cut on my screen right now. Right there, so you still got a pretty good chance there, and even into January, where there is a 25% chance of another quarter point coming in January. So I think we're getting close to the Fed rate cycle being true to what we thought it would be, right? And that is a cut environment. And as long as we have that, we have good earnings, we have hopefully some positivity on the trade front. We had some peace initiatives, obviously, in the Middle East and with Ukraine. We have Bitcoin battling back, although Bitcoin right now, yuck, 91,000, heading a little lower. I think the environment is right for a decent last month, and we'll see if the Santa Claus rally hits, which is just the last couple days anyways of December when Santa Claus. I'll have to find out that definition exactly. But I remember Michael was on with us one time and talked about Santa Claus rally. It's misunderstood. I'm going to have to look it up because it's only a matter of days there. I think it's like the 5 days.
25th?
Yeah, it's like the 5 days before, then like the 3 days after or something. There is a technical breakdown of the Santa Claus rally. Merry Christmas to all as we switch over from Thanksgiving. Now is the time. Like yesterday we went and got our tree.
'Tis the season.
Yeah, so now Who puts up Christmas stuff before Thanksgiving? Like, is there anybody in the chat? No, there's nothing, nothing wrong with that.
There's definitely people that do it, dude. There's definitely people that do it. Yeah, exactly. People front run Halloween as well. People front run Halloween like by like a month or two. As soon as like the inventory is like in the stores, you start decorating and stuff. And I think front running of Christmas definitely happens as well. Yeah. You know, a couple months before, you know, in anticipation.
I didn't realize.
Ready, putting the lights up, you know, putting the tree up.
Okay.
Getting the ambiance to be a little festive as well. Whoa, there goes SMX unhalted now. Another lick grab of the day highs right there. So we did attempt to push towards 62 halves roughly there. I was just looking at between 60s and 65s. We push, slamming back down. Again, I was talking to Sean about this, and I even mentioned this in the morning. I'm like, guys, this is a little bit of a recipe for a mover, especially on a day like today, and move. It did definitely both ways. Again, getting a little bit trappy here, right? I was like, if this is gonna go, this is definitely gonna trap a little bit, and a beautiful trap this was. Strong flush, maybe getting sellers seeing that aggression, being like, okay, we're gonna pile on, swipes up again, takes that out, and then kind of rips right back down into VWAP before breaking that double top high. That's coming in at $41. Take a look at this. That resistance now turned into support on the pullback. 41 holds, pushes us back to 60. So it's like a nice step up and just a bit of a churn. I don't know what the float on this thing is, but doing about 16.5 million shares. I can just quickly check right here what the SMX, I think I remember looking it up in the morning. I just don't remember off the top of my head. And the float is 3, 2, and 1. It is, it doesn't tell me what the, okay, 800, yeah, it was under a mil. 826K I have. So under 1 million shares in the free float. Don't know how many people are just holding on to that. But yeah, 16 million shares traded.
What was, attention Adara if you are watching. Adara did give me some news on this earlier when I was out for a walk. I walked to Italy, walked around a little bit. It's freezing cold outside, by the way. Okay. It's not freezing cold. But you know what's not cold today? Intel. Yep. Intel, did you guys even talk about this on the midday show? Like, Intel is just like boom city right now. Adair messaged me during the midday. Intel news, as per Min-Chin Kuo, that's an Apple supply analyst. Intel is expected to begin shipping Apple entry-level M processors as soon as 2027. Ooh. So if Apple and Intel got a tie-up, now all of a sudden, this is for their M processor, so entry-level M processors, so I guess going into their iBooks and MacBooks and whatnot, or I don't know, but I know if they're Intel inside, that used to be the saying, well, yeah, in Apple now, ding, 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 yeah, Intel inside, yeah, there will be some Apple and Intel apparently collabs right now, so yeah, just nice move up there for Intel today, and up 8.5% and still going. Meanwhile, I don't know, Obi. I mean, I sat here and me and you've been sitting here having some lunch and just talking a little bit. And I don't know, like I'm short AMD here and we've done real well. We got stopped at one time and that was live on the show. That was at 9:30 right there. Remember we were like, okay, well, we're down, or 9, well, that's 9:50, but it was early. We're like, okay, well, we're down on AMD, right? And, but we're not. We're quite nicely cooking. Actually, no, it was Google. That never made me down. That was just getting out of our trade. This trade on AMD was a huge one, and that was a stop out of right there, which put us, back to still up, but relatively flat. And then now we've just been hitting it short side and just getting out at resistance spots, right? We haven't been able to break 215.50, and now we're just using VWAP as our out. And then when we broke through VWAP, I started to drip out of this a little bit, but I don't know, with now only, guys, 40 minutes to go until Imbalance is and 50 minutes until this market is closed. Obi and I are both sitting here on a prop floor. So we actually have to get out, at 1 o'clock or shortly after that. We sometimes be able to hold a little bit into the 5, 10, 15 minutes or so afterwards. But as far as liquidity points and everything like that, we're exiting out at 1 p.m. today. So as is the show, of course. And just for those of you that are watching us for the first time, welcome. You've now found the best trading show on YouTube. Boom. But besides that, we're also now starting and giving everybody an extra half hour in the morning. So we're actually live now at 8 o'clock. So mark your calendars down now, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. As long as you're on this station, you're going to see some live content, and you're going to see numbers come out live now at 8:30 as they come out, and we can reflect those. We can see the dark pool prints at 8 o'clock, how those start to affect the markets. And then, Obi, it's sad, right? Because there's earnings, major earnings after 4 o'clock. So I just said we're only live until 4 o'clock.
Yeah.
Not on major earning days, man. We're going to come back with you guys. Watch out for some big prints. Once those are ready to go, we're going to come back and stay with you during the after hours and have a watch party.
Okay.
So watch parties have been pretty popular as of late, and we're going to make them even better. So on big time days, NVIDIA, Apple, whatever, and if we really see that something's happening, like that tariff day where Trump was announcing all the different tariffs and the taxes and all that, we could stay live on those days, but a lot of fluidity in this decision. So we are pretty happy. My mic is back?
Yeah, no,
okay.
yeah, definitely. I think it's exciting. I like the earlier times as well, Sean, because guess what? It gives us all a time together to kind of prepare for the market. It's 30 minutes more. 30 minutes can be a lot of time for preparation. Like I usually, I do some prep on the way in normally, but after I sit down, preferably I'd like 20, 30 minutes minimum at the desk to be like, all right, kind of see if everything's in accord in terms of what the overnight plans were, anything in the morning that I've found on the transit in, any sort of morning scans as well. But now we get a chance to kind of share some of that with you. So I'm like, all right, if we're going to start 30 minutes earlier, some pre-market prep sessions might be interesting as well as we kind of run down all the stuff that's running and defining some levels as well. But 40s coming in. I like that you pointed out Intel here. Yeah, this is the only kind of stock. I guess I see ARM as well. ARM is trending up pretty nicely, but there's definitely a little bit of a buying or buying program or whatever you want to call it here on Intel today. And yeah, big miss on my part, missing that news, and it's actually breaking out. So let's take a look at Intel on the weekly, Sean, and take a look at what this thing's been doing, man. Absolutely solid. So Intel on the weekly right here, 1 week candle, it is reclaiming some of these sell weeks right here. So this was the breakout of that 27 range high. Great place to start the swing, or even get a little aggressive if you're already in kind of accumulating in the 17s and 20s here on Intel, looking for that bid back up. Again, presidential seal. Don't forget, they were like, yeah, Intel's one of our boys. We don't want to have them be left behind. And we've seen that follow through. And again, this trade is, I call it the presidential seal trade, where I want to keep a close eye on any companies that the president's like, yeah, we're going to help them out. They're homegrown companies, and we need them to kind of do stuff for us and bring more things in-house. So they definitely have the right infrastructure. I like the trade. But on the day today, I'm really asking the question, Sean, is this a little bit too much? This could just melt. It doesn't seem like there's any sort of strong reason to sell here just yet. Just throwing up some VWAPs and even some trend line indicators right here. Boom, boom, right there. Just take the two lows. You can see very, very strong. So maybe after it can potentially get back below this, or if I see something happening, I kind of hesitated punching the 40, to be honest, for the short, because it's giving you 3 pennies worth of risk, right? If it continues doing
that right there, just at 40.
It's right at 40. It's at 39.97. So
I don't. You like that trade?
No, I don't like the
right.
short.
Yeah, no.
I was a little tempted, but I'm like, yeah, no. Look, it's very much uptrending. Even if we drop back down to VWAP, that would be nice. That's 39.15s on a $40 stock. So I think that something worth watching is this bit of a trend line. But again, with only about I guess now less than 1 hour. Wow, we got 45 minutes left.
Oh, but I can just let you talk the rest of the way, and then I think that would be an hour would be up immediately. That would be. That'd be great. No, I'm fine with that.
Stop me anytime.
No, please do not. Obi, anything else to say?
I got lots of things
I know, I'm just playing around.
I got lots of things to say.
Oh boy, so there it is.
Where's the trick?
I mean, you got to earn your keep around here, Obi. Just keep on going, keep on going.
Yeah.
But
that's the career that we're in. We eat what we kill. So I'm
exactly.
definitely used to that.
And you're killing it, man. We appreciate Obi coming back. We welcome back, of course, the chief over here, Sharif. We welcome him back. Chief Sharif.
Oh, I like that.
Never called him that before.
You're like Chief Keef?
Like called him that. Yeah, actually, that's not bad.
Chief Sharif.
But Chief is not really a cool word anymore, I don't think. So, all right, so we'll, it's not. It'd be just one of those things right now. Woke kind of stuff. $40 to the upside. I actually, it's funny because like I just looked over to Sharif and Joe right now. I was like, did they cover this on the midday? And Sharif's like, oh hell yeah! So great job on that, as it just basically held VWAP the whole morning, held the 50 period the whole morning, and there goes Intel on a tie up with the biggest and the baddest of them all, Apple. Although if you're looking at Apple today, you may not think similarly to that, as Apple's been falling all day, and actually Apple's underneath VWAP right here, and not looking too great. This could be the short that we're looking for, but for me, it's quite simple, man. We'll be the anti-hero today. We'll just hold this short and see what happens. You are right now bouncing off of VWAP right there. Or yeah, everything is coinciding. And what's the word that you use again when they're all confluence? There between the 200, the 50, and the VWAP. So everything has just come together here at 216.50 right now for AMD. So let's see it break this, and then let's work on these levels, and then we'll have an oh boy banger right there. Yes. Boom. That's why you have those orders out. I heard. Look at that, man. That was a big fill right there. So I heard Sharif mention about having fills out during post-market, pre-market, things like that, because you never do know where the fills are going to come through. And especially on a stock like AMD, I'm noticing that when this wants to go, you could have 20 or 30 cent spreads on this name. The liquidity, especially in the afternoon, is going to be pretty loose, right? Like you're not getting too much size here. So if someone in like, if someone comes in like, I mean, I just saw her at Thanksgiving. Hello, Kathy. I hope you're doing well. Yeah, thanks for the sweet potato there, But there it is right there. Nice move to the downside. You got to have orders out. So if someone comes in and wants to sell, even just like 10,000 shares or something, a lot of these prints are coming in the hundreds. So when you get that little crack lower, which was nothing there, it broke VWAP and someone hit the sell key, it looked like. So we sit there and take that fill. Now, that was only for 10%. So it's not like, we're dancing in the streets here or anything, but that was a good one there for AMD. Let's see if it falls down today. It's just one of those things where NVIDIA, I can never wrap my head around it. Today, we don't have like a huge NVIDIA story, but the market goes down here. Why? Because NVIDIA is expensive. And we talked about the PEs, but AMD's PE is much greater than NVIDIA's. So if that's the problem, then it should go down. We talked about how Google potentially stepping into the game here with the TPUs. Well, that's down also. So chips aren't what's good today. It's the Metas. It's the names that were beat up that have gotten some love over the last couple weeks, or beat up over the last couple weeks, gotten love over the last couple days. So you're seeing IBIT, which IBIT was going, and by the way, now it ain't. So this is right down to the levels that we had talked about earlier, 51 to 51 and a quarter coming into play right now for IBIT. Still up 1%, I like it. But, the drop that comes in here for IBIT is right in front of us here. So what about a 51.25 or so fill here on IBIT is what we'll be looking for now. But we'll throw it back over to Obi.
All right, and now for some exciting news out of Canada for the sophisticated traders on the stream. Beta Pro by Global X Canada, Canada's largest provider of leveraged, inverse, and inverse leveraged ETFs, has launched 6 new triple leveraged ETFs offering 3 times bull and bear exposure to the S&P, TSX 60, semiconductors, and on U.S. Treasuries. Even better, they're offering a special fee rebate, dropping management fees to just 65 basis points until December 31st of 2025. That's only a month away. Plus, the U.S.-focused strategies use currency hedging, offering the potential for pure performance and exposure. So if you are a tactical, sophisticated trader looking to amplify your performance, check out betapro.ca/3x daily to learn some more. I like the bear in that animation. That's pretty solid there as well. Yeah, there you go. Nice. Like it when
it's a cool one. Yeah, it kind of reminds me. We do have a. We have this gangster bear right here, but is this?
Oh,
this is.
Yeah.
This is the one.
Okay, that's a good one. Look at the graphics. There's some tessellations going on.
We're trying to trying to run that right now back into the downside. So, all right, just quickly here on what's been happening today. Today is a shortened day, right? So the market will close now in 40 minutes. But just because it's a shortened day doesn't mean that the market is not reacting similarly to how it would on a full day. Just a little less volume. And you can see the trends today, short in the healthcare technology space. You know, it's too bad because Eli Lilly has been having such a great run as of late. So, you know, a big 3% move down will actually hit the stock decently, right? So you're down $40 now off of 1,100 new all-time highs. Just let's go. AMD is approaching that dollar off the reload that we just put on, so that's pretty good. BMY, I think there could be a drip down here into the close, but we'll talk about that in a minute. Thermo Fisher, J&J, so nice red area here, healthcare, right? It's financials that are starting to pick up the pace again for everybody. JP Morgan got hit pretty decently to the downside, down into below 300 into the 290 area. Now we're way back up there, 312 for JP Morgan, doing well there for them as well. But hold on a second, I just need to make sure I have some orders out for myself on the on AMD here. But because AMD just went back in and bounced again off of 20s there. So that was the spot that we had initially. We don't have it now, but 20 take there on AMD. We got to watch out for that. It just bounced off of there. I thought AMD was getting to the downside, but does not appear to be the case at all. All right, so JP Morgan and the banks going lower as well there. So that's financials, or sorry, going higher. Going lower is just really Google, Apple, NVIDIA, Oracle, some of those chip names that we had sort of talked about, trying to hit a little bit. AMD still up, which is why I'm trying to short, like Broadcom and AMD sort of bucking the trend there. Intel with a big day, Micron and SanDisk as well. Micron up another 3%. Wow, on that one, on that front, man, that's a really good look there for that stock. And then today, the retail trade, which we highlighted earlier, Obi, and that was Walmart breaking through 110. Not much of a good trade through 110. You'd be 20 cents in the money, but not really, you know, the push there. Then Amazon coming through as we look at some of the plays here for Black Friday. The thing is, like, it's here now, right? We have Cyber Monday as well. So if you're looking for retail love, it's just going to be back and forth. Like, you're looking at Lulu again. You're going to look at Nike. Like, Lulu's up another 2%. Is a really good day there. I'm nervous for Lulu if it does break back below 180. 180 has been a pretty key spot there for Lululemon as well. So more to come potentially there. But that's Lululemon. Then Nike would be the other big retail name that a lot of traders look for if there's some strength. And of course, Nike with big time stories happening this year. We got the World Cup, we've got the Olympics. So, you know, potentially Nike doing well into those events. I'm not sure if that's a historical promise or not for them to do well heading into those major sporting events. And then Palantir today, still up that 1%, but hovering around VWAP. So pretty choppy, like not really worth trading into this area. But again, you get some highs and lows that happen out of nowhere in the next 30 minutes. I think it's worth looking at. I'm just going to sit on this. You're Google long, I'm AMD short. So I don't know if we'll be able to dance together here or not, but I am fine holding on to this one right now to the downside. Probable stop area, I was going to give it all the way to 218, but honestly, what about if we just break here? We don't get too silly with it. 217.25 or so. That would be a level for me. Did you want to talk about your Google quickly? Or?
Sure, yeah, fine. I think I can talk about this right here. So just I like the short off the open. Big fumble, not actually holding it till strong reasons to buy show up. It's not even that strong reason of a buy other than we just go sideways. But here's the strong reason to buy. We break through that consolidation low, false break it, rip right back in. We saw Joe getting involved with this. Shout out to him for having a banger trade there. So great reasons to buy, and we're getting that reversion back into VWAP. So I'm just looking for a potential continuation here going into the end of the day for this breakout right here for a push, because we've already seen information that, like, okay, we might not want to go back down there. Some volume confirmation as well on that pivot. So yeah, back up to the top of the range. Let's see if we can get back to VWAP 320.5. So that's what I'm looking for there. But right now, Sean,
yes,
got a little bit of a game.
All right.
Go
ahead, yeah.
We got some things to do right now.
I'm actually going to post this on Twitter. We are now going to start playing Family Feud Stock Market Edition. So we'll hit the start. I don't know if we have any cool kind of graphics for this or not, but you can see he's over there at the desk. He is waiting. He is our host, and the host with the most. It's Fabian. All right, Fabian, you all mic'd up over there? Okay, let's throw over to Fabian.
Hey, hey chat. This is the first time I'm hosting a game for you guys. So basically, if you would like to show the screen, this is gonna be the teams. So we're gonna split off to 2 teams and we're gonna run a Family Feud game. And this is based off a survey that we did about a year ago. It's been slow, we've been busy, as you can see, the whole studio has been in the works for now. But we can start off like, we can leave the teams as they are for now, and then I can reveal like what the first question. And we asked like, what is the number 1? So we could try off with, you think it's a like? Are you lived, Sharif? I say like. Are you lived? No. Okay, so we're gonna use you two, Obi and Sean. Let's just start it out. This is the first one. What is number 1? If you watch Trader TV, what should you do?
I think you should hit the like button. I like what Sharif was saying there.
See.
I'm going to go like button. How many points for like button over here?
We asked 100 people, and let's see how many of them pick like. And we got 1.
Okay.
Oh, shoot. Okay, okay. Here we go, Obi. You can steal this, Obi.
Okay. If you watch Trader TV, what should you do? I'm gonna go with subscribe.
Oh, damn it.
Come on.
Okay, come on. You got it. Okay.
Let's go. Even though, like and subscribe, right? Come on.
You got it.
All right, what's next?
So that's basically just the starter for the first one, and then we can start the game, and we can actually start off with one of the first questions we have on the survey. Sorry guys, I'm a little nervous. And the first question is, you just printed $10,000. What is the first thing you do? We asked a bunch of our audience to, oh, Sharif is joining on. He wants to play. We asked our audience, and these are the results we got from our survey. So, what is the first choice? Who's going first?
Okay. You just printed 10K. What was it? You just printed 10K. I just want to reiterate the question. What's the first thing that you do? If I just printed 10K, I ask where the next trade is.
Okay.
Ooh.
Where's the next trade?
X.
Is the next trade on here? And...
Oh, sounds about right.
All
right. You get 3 X's before then it goes over to the next team.
Okay.
So you can keep going, Obi.
Oh, I can keep going.
You have 2 more.
All right. So like
strikes.
you said, you asked the 100 people. So I got.
We're a team, though. We're a team.
Okay. All right. We're a team.
Yeah. So go back and forth. First thing you should do, and I would say, kiss the baby.
Pay some bills.
Kiss the baby. What does that mean, Sean?
Like celebrate, like.
Nobody knows. It gets the people
Let's
going,
see.
though.
Is celebrate or use it on the list?
Okay, spend it.
We got spend it.
Okay. Got lucky with that. That's not really okay.
What about paying some bills?
Paying some bills. I like that one.
That's also spending it, but like
Paying
bills.
some bills?
Yeah.
Let's see. Is paying off bills on there?
Oh,
it is.
There you go.
Okay.
It is.
All right. Now I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. How about book a vacation?
Book a vacation. Let's see. Most common ones. Let's see. Did I get it?
Ooh, okay.
All right, Obi.
All right, I like that. I like that.
Doing pretty good.
Let's see. I think I'm gonna go with. I mean, I did say where's it, like find the next trade, but like, what about parlay? Do you think people would parlay that?
And out of the survey, we're looking through, and there is no parlay.
Okay, all right.
All right. How about open up the old portfolio and drop some money into your trading account?
Yeah.
So invest it. Find a trade. Find a long-term trade. So an investment.
So out of the survey, we got. Invest.
What was it?
We got it.
Invest,
you got the biggest one.
Okay.
You got the number one.
Where's the next trade?
No, it's not, Obi.
It's not, I guess.
Okay, Obi, you're up. One more time.
All right. What do I do with the 10K,
give Sharif
man?
an opportunity to steal, boys. I know.
Okay. All right.
If they get 2 more wrong, then you get a
one
chance
more
to
wrong,
steal
one
all
more
the
wrong.
points.
So we've got the top one.
One more
and then we're looking for the lowest numbers. Okay. All right. What do you do?
These
with
are also answers taken by the chat. So
why don't you gift it? Gift it to a
Perfect.
family.
I like that.
Yeah.
Gift
Buy
it
some gifts or gift the money.
is not an answer.
Okay,
I'm not generous out there.
Obi, all 3 strikes were yours, Obi. There. What's going on? Come on.
So we can steal now.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say pay off debt.
We said
Already
we
there. Oh, that's next. No, that's
That's
next.
next. That's
Number
next.
three.
Pay bills.
Oh,
I missed that
already
one.
said,
All right, I didn't
boom.
see it. I didn't see it. I didn't see
It
it.
doesn't count. It doesn't count.
It doesn't
We'll
count.
let it
All
slide.
right,
We'll let it
I
slide
didn't see
at
that
one.
one. I didn't see that one. Okay, so what do we got? Can we put the options back on so we can see what we got? All right, so we got invest, Joey.
Yeah.
So what you just printed 10K.
Yeah.
What's the first thing you do? Invest, number one.
Yeah.
Number two, we still don't have. Pay bills, spend it on vacation, travel. What do you think number two is? I thought it was going to be pay off debt.
Sudden death.
So hold on.
I think I
is
have a pretty
take
good
profit?
Listen, I think I have a pretty good answer here.
Go.
Buy more.
Buy more.
buy more.
Buy more?
Buy more.
I don't know, man. I don't know about that
Yeah,
one.
buy more.
Okay.
No,
Yeah,
that's
no,
not. That's not happening.
How come they're not getting X's? There you go. There's your X. Thank you. Thank you
All
very
right,
much.
so what
Boom.
was
That
it
means
then?
we win.
So,
That's right.
That means we win.
All right,
What goes?
reveal all the answers, and
Okay.
this is what
do we
got.
get? Bitcoin. Buy
Bitcoin.
Dude, that's the next trade.
Obi,
It has to be
Joe.
specific.
How is buy
All right.
more not fall?
Because
Sorry,
it's
team.
not Bitcoin. Buy more doesn't equal buy Bitcoin, bro.
Yeah, it does.
No, it
Okay,
doesn't.
you know what?
Come at us, Joe. Come at us, Joe.
All
Again,
right.
like,
All right.
Do you guys want to get some team names?
Sure. But like,
wanna keep
you want
playing.
to
I wanna
spend a few
win.
minutes brainstorming them right now? I don't know. We'll
We'll leave it up. We'll go to the next question.
We'll be Shinobi. Like we're like.
oh, yeah. Yo, I like that. Shinobi.
Oh,
Shinobi.
oh.
Ninjas.
Shinobi.
Wasn't there a Sega game called Shinobi back in the day?
That's right.
I like
Yeah.
that.
Shinobi.
Shinobi-o.
There it is.
What do you want to be, Joe? The Bash Bros?
Yeah, exactly.
All right, put us Bash
Oh,
Bros.
okay.
Yeah,
All right,
there we go.
cool.
Hey.
There we go.
Not,
So
super,
what
not,
for the
super,
Shinobis?
not super original over there, you know.
Okay. Okay.
Sorry.
What are we gonna do? That's okay.
All
That's
right.
all right. That's all right.
Trading and gaming. Let's go.
All right, what do we got next? Let's go,
So,
Fabian. We
next,
want a
this
chance
one's
to
an
win
easy
here.
one. This is more of like a softball for you boys.
We
So-
get to start this time or no?
Yeah, unfortunately.
Yeah.
They do,
Let's start
they
it
do.
off. Let's
Yeah,
alternate
yeah.
it.
Are we restarting here?
No, we're
The
second
first
one.
one.
Okay.
Name
Oh,
a
can I
famous
go first?
investor.
They're first.
Oh.
All right, so
All right.
are you going to say we're first?
Yeah,
You're gonna say we're going to say exactly who we're both thinking, right?
Exactly.
Say
Exactly.
it.
Charlie.
Oh, yeah. Easily.
Warren
Was it
Buffett.
Warren Buffett? Charlie. I was thinking of his brother. Warren Buffett.
We're going to say Warren Buffett.
Of course, Buffett's
Warren
gonna be on there.
Buffett.
Very
Let's
number one.
see.
Say Charlie Munger.
Out of the
but I meant to
results
say
of our
Warren
survey, did Warren Buffett come up?
Number one.
Points right
Pretty
there.
safe. Pretty safe.
Easy money.
All right, what else we got, Joey?
We got to go with his partner, no?
Yeah, I know, right? But that's a little on the nose. You don't want to say Ackman or something
We
like
can
that?
say that. How?
Ackman, who else?
Barron might be too much of a
Who?
no-go. Ronnie Barron.
Ronnie Barron. No, that might not be as...
Yeah, dude.
All right, time limit.
Hold on, man.
Time limit.
We got some time.
Time limit. Bill. We could say Bill.
We could say Nancy
Bill
Pelosi
Gates?
probably. Nancy Pelosi probably a good one there.
Baby, you got to get control of this.
I think we go with the number two. If we're going Buffett, you have to go with
Okay,
Buffett.
Charlie Munger, let's go.
I'll gladly take it on.
All right. Do you guys have an answer?
We're going to go with Charlie Munger.
Yeah.
Okay.
Charlie Munger. Did he come up on the results?
I knew it. Joey!
Crazy. What? Hey, man, we had to. Put
All
that
right, we
out
still
there.
have more.
We still got one more.
All right, let's
All
just
right.
go ahead and say Ackman. Let's say Bill
Yeah,
Ackman.
let's say Ackman.
It's gonna be there.
Bill Ackman.
Oh!
All right. Cool.
Okay. Who else,
on.
man? All right.
Oh, we got one more.
Think
okay.
more memey, guys. Maybe
Kathy
you know
Wood?
you got to understand.
There's Kathy
Yeah, we
Wood.
can go. Let's go Kathy Wood.
Wanna go Kathy?
We're gonna go Kathy Wood here.
All right.
Ooh, is Kathy Wood on the list? Oh,
That's
Oh.
crazy.
That's a wrap. That's a wrap.
That's crazy.
it wasn't an X.
Because she's right there,
She's
man.
right there.
She's right there.
Wait, what?
All right.
Wait, what?
All right, all right. Let's keep going.
Okay.
Who else do we got here?
I don't know,
Last
man.
one.
This is tough.
Bury. When did you take this? These
guys are
poll
looking
was
in the
about a year
chat.
ago.
That's all we
Survey
gotta
was
do.
done August of 2024.
August of 2024. Nobody was going to say Bury around then, I don't think.
Or did they?
Who else, man? Who else?
But do we just say an investor? Man, oh man.
Keep
You have
going.
to come up with an answer. And what do you got?
That's it. Boom. You want to go with just? We'll just put this out there. Let's go with
Who'd you got?
the
Who'd you got?
the Microsoft CEO, Bill Gates.
You're going to go with the Gates?
Yeah, let's just
Mr.
put Gates out
Gates.
there.
Is Bill Gates on here?
I don't think so.
No.
Sorry.
All right.
In for the Steel Boys.
All right. We have Obi and I have discussed this.
Yeah.
And we have a guaranteed number 2 answer on the board right now. Obi, please tell them what it is.
This is by far the best trader that I know. By far of all time. Nancy Pelosi.
Put it on the board.
investor of all time.
2-0.
Let's go.
2-0.
Let's go right now. Right here, right
Sorry.
now.
No.
Pelosi.
She's not on there.
Oh, you guys don't know anything about investing.
How could our group? How can our group not say that? All right, who's on the board? 1-1.
Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna say Jim Simons might be on there. I'm gonna say that Jesse Livermore might be on.
But
there.
I was gonna say Jesse Livermore.
Yeah, bro.
But he's not an investor. Oh well.
I mean,
All right.
he's
So these are the answers.
Burry, Soros, Icon, Dolly,
Peter Lynch, I was
Paul
going to say
Tudor Jones,
Burry.
right? Yeah, of course.
Burry
Burry. What do you mean, Peter Lynch?
Remember, this
Carl,
credit
yeah, I
is
was gonna
also
say
treated
great
as
value.
chat.
Great as well. But look, everyone picked Buffett. Here's the thing, Sean. We could have got every single other name, but still wouldn't have won because Buffett is by far the
so
most.
we win that
So,
one.
you know what I
1-1.
mean?
We won.
All right, 1-1.
Good stuff, boys. Good stuff.
They go next now. Let's go.
All right.
Let's do this.
So let's just go back to the board. And the next question.
The next question.
I thought this one could be a fun one. And I thought, name a hot stock.
Open it up, Assassino. There we go. Okay, so this was August of 2024.
Yeah, so it's a little dated. I will say that.
All right, I'll go with. Wait, we have it first, right? So we'll go with Palantir. Want to do that?
That's
Sure, I was
I'll
going
give
to
you
say NVIDIA, but
2024.
Palantir is
Okay, let's go. What do you guys got?
Palantir, a hot stock in August of last year.
August of last year.
Oh.
Yeah, okay, so we're just going to go with NVIDIA, of course. NVIDIA is going to be top of the charts, for sure.
So,
Yeah,
NVIDIA?
NVIDIA.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's try that.
Boom, there you go.
Yeah, that's
Ooh,
easy.
there's something hotter than NVIDIA?
Let's go with. I think we should just go with GameStop. GameStop is as far as our audience is concerned. I think we got to go with GameStop.
Let's see if it came up.
Oh,
it did. It
All right,
did.
so this is
Bigger
what- this
one,
is-
though,
We're all over
NVIDIA?
this. We're all over this now. Okay, Obi, thinking about anything else here? I'm gonna go with Tesla.
Yeah.
Oh, yes, come on.
Obvious one
Let's
here.
You got to
go.
pick some of the Mag 7s for
You
that.
would
go.
think it would be one of the most popular ones.
Not in
right?
August 24.
And it is.
Oh,
Bang.
it was number
Bang,
uno.
bang, bang.
Yeah, we got
How
way.
many? Are there 8 answers on this?
Yes, every
Okay.
question has 8 answers.
Oh wow. Okay, wow. We should just maybe go back and forth then
Yeah, okay.
between these guys and us, or do you just want to stay with us?
No, let's play the actual game.
No.
Okay, we'll play the actual game.
Yeah.
Okay.
Take the
So
points.
what are we thinking about next? So we got the top ones already. If this is in order,
These are
we've
gonna
already
be
won,
hard, yeah.
first of all.
They
But
can steal it.
let's see.
They can steal your points.
Say again.
They can steal your points.
No, of course.
We're well aware of this.
We just have to kind of, okay, GME, NVIDIA, Tesla. You said no for Palantir, and this is for last August?
That's
IBIT. IBIT. Or
IBIT.
Bitcoin. IBIT or
Is
Bitcoin.
IBIT on there?
Bitcoin, BTC, Bitcoin.
Okay.
It's a hot
Last one, sudden death.
This is from last year. I mean, it's such a different world that we live in. Like you have SMCI, we have all these different
That's
things
one, man. You guys are.
that we could actually go with.
Gotta get the steal.
dude. It's Bitcoin related.
Okay, go MSTR.
What about MSTR?
Let's go with it.
August.
MicroStrategy. We're gonna go with MSTR.
Why is it a 24?
August of 24.
And it is.
Okay.
MSTR. Okay.
Let's try to get
Safe
going.
one.
Still alive.
It's a safe one.
That's a safe one. That's a safe one. That's a good one. I'm just gonna go with Google. We'll try to speed this up.
Good Goggles is not on the list. I'm sorry about that.
Sorry, Obi.
Should we go with it?
Come on, Bash
Go with
Bros.
We're gonna
It's
say
time to
Meta.
shine. Sorry?
We're gonna say Meta.
Meta. Meta is on the list. They got it.
Hold on.
right.
Is the steal? Do we steal?
You
that
want to
or
keep
not?
going? You can go. Keep going if you can.
Hold on,
If
I
you can get
thought
the
it
last
Just
3.
steal the points, though.
Hold on. Don't we steal the points if they get 3 strikes and we get 1
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
Yep.
exactly.
Does it
That's
work
correct.
like that?
You got it.
I'll
But,
watch in a minute.
We're playing up a little
We're
bit.
playing a little
Play this,
different.
okay.
Okay, so let's
Go
keep
next.
going. You know what was hot in August of 2024? Because of what happened in July of 2024?
July.
Do you remember what happened in July of 2024? The outage?
Oh, yeah.
CrowdStrike.
Oh,
I don't know. I don't want to say.
that
Because
is
crowd was up 20% in August of 2024.
Okay, that's a great point.
But I don't think it's going to be on there.
Dude, if Google's not on there.
Google was relatively.
IBIT's not on there.
Google on there?
They said Google.
okay.
It was not on there.
Okay, so I think we
Alright.
should stick with the Meta. Let's go
Come
Amazon.
up with a question.
Amazon.
Amazon.
Is Amazon on there?
Amazon's on there. I'm just gonna
I'm
step up
sorry,
and
they
walk
are
away.
not. But you still get the points
Okay.
from before.
Okay, we get 100.
So what? No, I want to see what the
Yeah,
name.
let's see.
I will reveal the other one.
Yeah,
See what the
coin
names
coin
were.
could be one
Oh,
of them.
shit.
Coin's a good one.
Pardon
yeah.
me. There we go.
What do we got? What do we got? Oh, we got, wait.
No,
Hey,
keep
oh,
going.
wrong
No,
list.
no, that's the next.
Next one.
Oh, no.
There we go.
You gave away everything. Oh, no.
Oh no.
The
a little
CEO.
clunky.
There we
Hot
go.
dog. Okay, we got that one.
Apple.
Oh,
Okay, so Apple, AMD was on there. People were
SMCI.
saying-
Should've
I
been
did
a lot.
say SMCI.
That was stupid. Yeah. SMCI was
Alright.
moving those days.
Last one.
Okay,
This is
last
for all
one.
the marbles, guys.
All right.
We just seen all
So,
the.
Did we not
I mean,
just see the last
I'm just
one?
sitting here trading.
it's a different one.
Okay, good.
I have
just wanna say
many questions.
So this is the last one?
Yeah, let's do the last one. It's
Oh,
just this
I
is
was
more
like
to
so
try
much
it out,
more.
see if you guys like it. If the audience likes it, the chat, you know,
We do. They do.
make
They
your-
love it. We're gonna do more of these.
Make it
Yeah,
heard.
they're going on. You guys love it.
What do we got?
So-
Throw some ones in the chat if you guys love
I
it.
thought, name a stock that starts with the letter E.
Enron.
Let's see.
Does it still currently
Is
trade?
Apparently they
OB
get it.
Enron? Nope.
Boom.
Let's go.
Well, that's like
Let's
one of the most.
That's the
I mean,
classic.
Sharif is putting it into a large language model.
Yeah, I know it's a little like
So
performance
I mean, it's
enhancement right
already.
there.
This is already over.
Right here.
I mean,
LLM right
you know,
here.
Lilly.
Eli
It's their
Lilly.
turn.
Eli Lilly.
That's
Is
LLY.
Eli Lilly
let him say it. These guys,
popular
these
stock.
guys don't even know
Run
the
the
names
question.
of stocks.
It
Okay,
is.
all right.
Oh, it's the name of it. Oh, okay.
Okay.
Well, what else did they say? Let me check his screen over here. So it says Exxon.
Enbridge.
Keep it down, Ram Ram.
Enbridge.
Go with the ENB.
I thought
think
Neil
OB
would be the one
I
sneaking
think
the
you're-
answers over here.
You're a little too
Sharif.
Canadian
But
minded.
Enbridge is
I
Canadian.
can't help myself, brother.
I think.
There's a bunch. All right.
yeah.
What did you
Oh,
guys
come on.
say?
I got.
Enron.
We got.
I mean,
we got,
Enbridge.
XOM. XOM.
No,
That's crazy,
Exxon
bro.
Mobile.
Yeah, man.
XOM.
dude, come on.
There
Oh,
it is. That's
it's in
a
the
big
game.
one right there.
Is it our turn?
EA Sports.
EA Sports is a
It's in
good
the
one.
game.
Is EA on there?
Or eBay.
Okay, yeah, eBay would work.
You can't go or eBay after you said.
Yeah, I know, right? Come on.
Yeah,
Dude, your partner has the answers in front of him.
yeah, you're burning, like you guys are using AI.
Be the answer.
I hope you guys aren't using that to like trade and stuff.
But is eBay on the list?
All right, so they got 2 strikes. So
Let's go.
wait.
Send it over.
They got
Please,
one
yeah.
more. They got one more, man.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
It's been a little chaotic. We're just bouncing back and forth.
Did we say no for eBay?
Is it
So
us?
what would you like?
Our
Yeah,
turn?
you
it's,
picking?
it's still your turn.
Oh, okay. Eli, Enron. Okay, did you say EA
You said
Sports?
eBay.
Go with your gut.
I did say EA and they
eBay.
said
I'm
no.
going to go with eBay.
Yeah,
We're going to go with eBay.
Yep.
Oh, number 2.
okay,
Number 2. That was big.
Okay. I have another one. Etsy.
Etsy.
Yes,
Etsy is
let's
a
go,
popular
Sean.
one.
Yeah.
Is it on the list though?
Let's go. I got stuck.
Oh, is it on there?
Etsy's on there.
Oh, it is
Yeah.
on there. It is on there. It is on there.
Oh, no.
Okay, Eli Lilly, Etsy, Exxon, eBay, Etsy, Enron, Enphase.
Enphase.
So,
Enphase.
not looking at the chat, not
It
looking at
looks
large
like you
language
guys are
models over here.
phasing out of the lead.
No.
Oh, okay. No Enphase. No Enphase.
So going for the steal, boys.
Okay, so we're going to go with Elf Beauty.
Elf Beauty. See, that'd be a good pick if the audience was more females, I think. You know, and it's not the case right now. I'm
Which
sorry.
one? Remember?
All right, so that's a wrap.
So that's us.
Joey told me to say that. Blame Joey.
Are you sure it wasn't Gemini?
Oh,
Gemini or Joey? I don't know.
Funny enough, it didn't actually pop up.
All right, so what else is up there? What else is up there?
Yeah, I want to see.
What else?
it.
Do you want to do
adding-
one
No, I
more?
said Enbridge.
Are you guys down for one more, or am I
Sure.
cut out?
I'm down for one more. I'm having a.
You're not cut off. You're not
One
cut off.
more. We need one more here.
All
Getting
right.
stopped out of Intel.
This is the best
do
the
it.
show's ever
This is
been.
for the comeback.
I'm really paying too much attention to it.
All right, let's go. One more.
No, you got to add the 83 to us.
You did. You
You
did.
did, brother.
You did.
Okay,
Shinobi,
okay.
yeah.
So, we asked the audience, and if you lost $10,000, what's the first thing you do?
Cry.
Silence. Cry.
Leave the country.
Is that okay?
Double
we're
my
starting with-
shares next
Hold on,
trade.
it's our turn.
It's Bash Bros.
Yes,
Double my shares. This
So,
guy.
what
Double,
was the
double.
first thing you said?
What's the first thing you're doing if you're losing 10K?
We've got to start with the crying, no?
Tilt, cry.
Yeah.
All right.
Get
Let's
mad.
go with that.
Is
Let's
that
go
your
with that.
final answer?
Get mad,
Okay,
cry,
okay.
tilt.
Get mad.
The midday boys getting a little.
Got Cry. The most popular one with 44
All right, all
points.
right, all right. OnlyFans, someone wrote in the chat.
Career change.
Yeah.
Holy fizz, this guy. All right, what else we got, Joey? So you just lost 10K. What are you doing? Hold on, man. Stop putting the clock on us. You didn't put the clock on them.
Yeah.
So hold on.
We got Fry.
We got Cry.
Get mad. Got to go with Get Mad.
We're going to put Get Mad?
Yeah, we're gonna Get Mad.
Let's see. Is
Throw
Get
slippers?
Mad on the list? We got Scream and Yell.
Okay, that's the last one, so that's not that good.
Though, man. That's pretty good, though. Take that one there.
So you just lost 10K. What are you doing? You're degenning into another trade.
Doubling down.
Yeah.
That assumes you have another 10K
Doubling down.
Something of that.
Doubling down.
Sorry.
It's doubling down. We got to make it back in trading.
All right.
All right, man. We're on fire. All right, what else can we do here?
That was my first guess.
So we got Make It Back.
Not Cry.
More. Ooh, yeah, Scream, Yell. I don't know. Did we go?
Nah.
It's an emotion.
Let's. Think faster?
Yeah.
They were
with the super chat.
So
even Ramin's mad at these guys. Let's go, guys.
I'm gonna say break something.
Break something. Let's
they're
see.
just saying
Is
that it's
break
a
something on here? Surprisingly, you would think it would be, but it isn't.
That's a first strike. All right. You got some angry energy there. How are you gonna get that angry energy out? You hit the gym. We're gonna try that. Let's put exercise, hit the gym, something like that.
All right, let's see.
Something like that. You know, sometimes you just need to like
walk away. Yes, walk away.
All right, this is hard now, man, and they're gonna have a chance to steal here.
What is the number 2 though?
The number 2, yeah.
Number 2 is AMD is tanking right now.
Some of you do this every day.
Go say
Stop trading.
Stop trading.
Stop trading.
Isn't that same
That's
thing
the
as
walk
walk
away,
away?
nothing.
That's the same thing as walk away, bro. That's the same thing.
Can we get
Let's get the
yeah. Let's get the exit. Okay, back over to us.
No, that doesn't count. That doesn't count.
Counts.
I'm gonna
Sorry,
say
you are the weakest link.
drink alcohol.
Yeah.
Drink alcohol.
Abuse
we
substance.
Got take a shot.
Hey, there we go. We're doing well, Joey.
How many X's are these guys allowed?
Last one.
All right, what else we got?
Oh man. What is number
drink.
2?
Let him guess all of them.
You know, there's other things that you could do as well. Talk to a friend. I don't know. Talk to somebody. Vent.
Call somebody.
Call. Vent. I don't know. Something like that, Fabian.
Vent is
Vent,
not
call someone?
on the list. I'm sorry.
Isn't that only 2 strikes?
Good, I'm glad they got that wrong.
All right.
Me too.
Come on, Shinobi.
I thought C and I were friends. She's over here just giving these guys all the answers.
Bro, she didn't give us any answers.
I know it was wrong. I was glad. I'm glad about it. I'm actually glad about it.
All right,
So
Team Shinobi.
Obi and I had one, and we were going to say go to the bar.
Yeah, and that's already
Go to
taken
the bar.
out.
That's take a drink.
Is that take a drink? Okay, that's what we
Yeah,
wanted to
it's already
double check.
on the
That was already on there. Okay, so I was going to say, how about call a loved one?
Sorry?
Call a loved one.
I said someone.
They already said that.
That's already on there. Come on. Something you do every day.
Go for a walk. Bathroom break.
It's over. We win.
Bathroom break.
Sorry, boys.
Dang, that's it.
I want to say where's the
taken
next
by-
trade, but
The Bass Bros.
You guys get
I mean, what did you mean by that?
get out of here.
All right,
see the answers.
before
I'm
you
curious to know-
throw that, was bag
I still
hold
feel
on
like
there?
we won.
Here, I can reveal
Was
it.
What about
bag
go
hold
get a
on there?
job?
Because Joey wants to put bag hold.
Sorry. I forgot to reveal
Oh
all
my
of it.
God.
What was it?
Yes.
What was it?
I mean, it's like, Obi, you do this, and I'm like, yes,
That's
guess
like
what?
right down
Journal,
Adira's alley,
hey,
right there.
I didn't see them.
Aggressively journaling.
Review journal,
There you go.
puke, vomit. Okay, learn from it.
Puke, vomit.
All right.
Make it back, trade more. I mean, I was saying we'd trade more.
Crazy.
All right. Not bad.
that's
Not bad.
Okay.
A little
Thank
bit of
you.
work needed in that, but thank you so much. Good, Fabian.
Thank you for
Let's do that
joining us
again.
for
That
the
was
first
actually fun. I
annual
like that.
Let's do that again.
Trader
Let's
TV
do
does
that
Family
again.
Feud.
A lot of fun.
All right, thank you.
Unfortunately, we missed the CEO one, and we saw the answers.
All right, wrap this thing up. Cut these mics. All right, we do have imbalance data coming through right now, so let's get ready. Back over to trading. Look at this, Obi. What the heck is HBI? If we could turn off other mics, that'd be great right now. I'm going to take this out. All right, HBI right here, sell. So I don't know what's going on with this stock. If we have some sort of, this has only done 23 million. You have 15 million right here on the sell side. We're still short, man. Meanwhile, this has been happening. We have we've been getting out here, but nice move down on AMD. SMR with a buy late here today as well. Remember, these are half-day imbalances, so they are still here and they're kicking right now, the half-day imbalances. So get ready for that. GDX coming through, Verizon and everything. That was a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed us doing all of that. We're going to do more of that, I would assume, as we go. But okay, there it is. So we take out some more AMD as these imbalances are just upon us right now, Obi. So far, so good here. I don't know if you had any trades when we were doing that. I just
still
continued.
In the Intel.
Okay. Oh yeah, Intel. Right.
The close.
There's AMD right now. AMD about $1 in the money. And then we put this trade on for you guys right around 217. So nice move to the downside here. We'll see if we can get lower into the close.
Okay, apparently there's some news. Dara in the chat saying Airbus is seeking immediate software updates on 6,000 jets, roughly half of all of its jets in service.
All right, all right.
Some software updates.
All right. We did, we did miss that IBIT buy there apparently at the end of the day, 51.25. I'm not going to put anything on right now though. I'm just going to wait to see what winds up happening with this trade here, AMD. Look, I mean, what was a pretty fun day to begin with there today. Just got fun with our game, and we're going to wait to see now how low do we go. Right now, I'm sitting at 115.40s, sorry, 215.80s to see if there's anything here. Not 40, 215.80 right now. Put out a little bid. Let's just see these imbalances are now moments away. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So here we go. We are now out. It looks like it must be a bid imbalance there for AMD as we start to go back up to the upside. There's NVIDIA with a nice buy of 6 million shares. So that sends AMD northbound as well. Google with a buy. Apple with a buy. Most of these stocks are coming bid. Look at that. 278 right now. Nice move higher there for Google and Apple. So Google ticking up to 320. It's Apple though. And Apple today does not keep the turkey away. Do turkeys like apples? I think they do. They like some veggies there. Is Apple a fruit or a veggie? Of course, it's a fruit. Nice move up there for Apple, getting right back into where we started the day there for Apple. So it was red. Now back to Greensville for AAPL. Amazon also a buy, OB. So it looks like this market is starting to get a little excited here on the buy imbalances.
Yeah, I'm just watching a few of these names here. Yeah, top of the NIC. We have some HBI, some LAC as well. TLT NVIDIA on the Nasdaq. I see Intel right here as a buy as well. Surprising, all day, a bit of a buy program that's just running it up. And I'm like, all right, well, is Buddy going to be done on top of when we get to 40? Absolutely not. We go 40 to 35s right now on Intel. Had a bit of a chop there while we were we were doing the family feud there. 40 came in, it was chopping around. I was like, all right, a little bit of an over under 40 there. And when it came back in, I did get a little aggressive. 10 pennies too late. I wanted the 40, but it's working out nicely now. Market tailwind as well. And we have the imbalance tailwind confluence as well with a bit of, 586,100 shares to buy and a pair volume of 3 million. So just sorting by some of the pair volume, that's going to be NVIDIA with a 7.5 million shares paired, and then Intel with 3 million shares paired there as well. So we'll see. Only about 9 minutes left going into the close. It seems like Intel might want a little bit of the move, but we'll see. I got nothing else.
I was really glad that Intel was nothing. I mean, I was just debating a stop here, but we emptied out. Like, we were getting out at VWAP as we were going. We talked about that. We just got another piece out here at the 50 as we broke a little bit higher into this. We only have about 25% left of what we were doing in the first place there. So once this came into 216, and those were those levels, and you might have heard me as we were doing that family feud there, Thanksgiving edition, although there was nothing turkey related. Maybe next time we'll do like a theme base. But we were just trying that out. So thanks, Fabian. He's had that in his back pocket for a while. So thank you to that. That was a lot of fun. And, now that we've tested it out, we can find better organization and things like that for next time. So that was a heck of a lot of fun. So we're glad we did that. All right, so I was just going to say, no, only waiting for this. So I remember at 3:55 is a pairing event. So, like, did HBI even do anything? Oh, yeah. So it did sell off a little bit there.
Yeah, it got slammed a little bit.
Yeah, it got slammed a little bit there. So I was going to say, at 3:55, which is now 12:55, you're going to get a flip probably in most of these names. So, look to see if Apple tops out a little bit here around the high. And you may not. Like, it's going to be interesting because what kind of volume comes into the system here with only a half day in, right? So is it enough to flip some of these? Like, Apple in total, 1.8 plus 5, So you're at 2.3, 2.4 million right there. So can you get another sell to come in that pairs this off? And if they do, then that means there's no more buy pressure into Apple. So this could fall back in. So this would be the prime candidate for me to reverse over would be Apple. We're also holding on to AMD, hoping that that can come through. Not a big imbalance either for Amazon. That's already starting to get paired off, so that could come back in. Most of these names ran today's high. So it does look like Brendan gave us the key number of 2.5% the Nasdaq had to go. Looks like we're going to only be up 0.5 today. So not much going on here into the closing imbalances from what both Obi and I can find for you. If there is anything moving or you do want a quick little look on any stocks, man, put them in the chat and we could have a quick look here. I think it was just a really rough couple weeks just for volatility wise. I mean, it's made a blast to trade them, but I think that, you know, looking at your account on a daily note has been tough over the last little while. So, you know, take the opportunity to maybe this weekend rebalance a little bit, have a look, or don't rebalance, but have a look at, you know, the stocks that you're holding and maybe, you know, what had a rough ride over those 2 weeks. And if you do think the Nasdaq is potentially topping out around here, maybe trim some because you're getting a nice bump up in many names, like that Meta trade, which was a great one down there at 6 bills. So you're up 10% basically from that bottom 580 to 650. So great trading there. In Meta, you may want to get some out. And I was even thinking myself, if 75 ever played on Palantir was a level that I was thinking about trimming again on Palantir. So we're not too far away from that. So here we go, just a couple seconds left, and we'll see if anything flips up. I said Apple, I thought was primed to flip. So there's Apple right now. It actually gets bigger. Ooh. See, so it goes the other way. So those imbalances there, remember it was 500 at 355, it actually got bigger. So it grew right there. Intel got bigger as well, eh? So yeah.
Tripled now.
So now, wow, 40, 50. So it doesn't look like we're getting that turnaround here for AMD. So we're not going to, you know, let a losing stock, winning stock turn into a losing stock. So we'll get out here of AMD as it's just paring back just a little bit.
Yeah, I'm looking at that Apple as well as watching that. That thing is going blasting off back into that 280 level there. Google got back to 320s there, so it took forever for it to happen. But I am glad this Intel is coming right in. So yeah, very aggressive buyer. Sometimes participants just need to get some business done, and they don't care if they're seen in the market, and they leave footprints around. And this is Intel. The move on Intel today is a great example, right? I don't need to think too much. I don't need to go crazy. I don't need to be like, oh, who's buying? Why is this doing this? I don't care. Recognize the buy program. Get involved. Look for continuation into the close. And it seems like this guy just continuously just wants to. They got more to buy. That's all it is, right? So you can see if you have, I pointed this out earlier, but if you have tape on this, you kind of go back on it and actually look at what a buyer looks like on the day, and a buyer that lasts all throughout the day. You want to catch trends that are just straight clean all day. It's good to understand how some of those program buyers and those algo buyers or whatever, someone's doing business, what do they look like? So I think it's a great look there. And Confluence, with a growing imbalance, Confluence with a strong pair volume, Confluence with the market tailwind as well. So yeah, great stuff happening here on Intel. We only have about 4 minutes here. Didn't really send in the mock because I just want to play the Momo into the close. And again, don't forget, these are Nasdaq stocks. They still trade into the close, and it's not like I'm doing 5% of daily traded volume that I need to use the mock to kind of do some of my business, right? Not yet, at least.
I think it's important that you talk like that because that's what the mock is used for, right? Is for people that are looking to get, and we're talking about mock is market on close. So you actually have the moo as well, which of course is market on open. So yeah, those are the plays that we look for to get rid of volume, right? And get a little liquidity. Like if you don't want to affect the stock with your particular order, you put it in and then you get people to pair off against it, right? And so that's what happens every single day here at close and at open. So it's a double up there, the mock and the moo. So get ready for all of those plays to come on, again, Monday morning, and every single close with 10 minutes to go. We review those for you guys live here with only 2 minutes to go right now. Yeah, it doesn't look like AMD wants to do anything, so we're just flat on this last 20 or so percent. We've just been getting out near the top side of that. Is SMR doing anything? At 20 bucks still there for SMR. So yeah, not much going on there for that name, although nice move today, up 5%. And just to show you, and we'll just do a little quick rundown. We are not going live. We're after 1 o'clock. That's it. We'll wrap this show up. But this is what we're doing today. NVIDIA, Meta, big days for them. Eli Lilly downside. JP Morgan up 2%. Amazon and Tesla floating around, just up 0.8 today for Tesla. Uber up 2%. Another big name. Caterpillar up. John Deere down again, another 1% off of that report there, as they guided a little bit lower last week for John Deere. But yeah, into the close, not much going on. We did talk about a little Tilray today as well. They're down 20% as they go reverse split 10-1, I believe, effective December 1st. Might even be, I don't know if it was the 1st or the 10th. I think it was the 1st. So maybe Monday, this will be an $8 stock. So get ready for Tilray. You've not made a boatload of money on Tilray if you come in on Monday and it's $8. So please don't think you just hit 10-1 on that, but that is going to be the reversal there. So we'll have to wait to see how that affects Tilray trading. I would say short side on Monday for TLRY with less than 1 minute to go. A check on Robinhood and SOFI just real quickly. We haven't looked at much. Yes, sir, we love some SOFI. Get back to 30 bucks, my guy. Nice move there. And then Robinhood was marching all day as well. That's trying to get to 130. So 30 for SOFI, 130 for Robinhood. But it's not a Robinhood day, man. Robinhood was negative all day, just turning green right, not all day, but all afternoon, just turning right now. It's SOFI leading the way, man, to the promised land, it looks like today. SOFI up almost over 4%, almost 5%, 4.5% there for SOFI in a big day. And look at the Qs. Yeah. Man, wow, going out like a lion right there in the month of November. That was great. The fact that we basically, okay, here we go, 10 seconds left. The first negative month is only going to be down like 1% in the month. That's pretty awesome. 2, 3, 2, and 1. There it is. Now we are now officially closed. So watch out for some volume coming in here late maybe with some of those prints. But yeah, what a great day to end with there. What a great run in the last 10 minutes, especially if you're long, man, to flatten out those portfolios. 430 for Tesla, basically where we opened. They had a nice dip down as well today for Tesla. Apple was a good stock at the last couple minutes there. Apple gets green when we were red all day there, Obi. You and I danced with Google a little bit today, back to 320. So that 317 definitely bought up. We'll check that on Monday for sure. And then NVIDIA, and then I'll throw it over to you and we can wrap this thing up. NVIDIA could not get going, unfortunately. I wish I would have turned over here and told you 180, but it doesn't look like that.
Yeah, I think for me, from what I was seeing, I didn't see what happened on Apple. That's absolutely crazy. There's probably something there that was pretty decent. It was one of the top names here. Again, on the imbalance list, you can see here, Intel, NVIDIA, and Apple. They're all kind of chilling up there in the top 3. But guess what? 4060s kind of in and around there. That was I didn't see the specific print, but we got all the way up to 4060s here on Intel. Still currently trading around 4058. So absolutely solid. 50 to 60 pennies on a $40 stock going into the close, where, again, I talked about all the levels of confluence that were there for, like, what are the reasons to buy, right? There's some, like, you guys know I love reversions. And I looked at this initially and I was like, should I revert the 40? And I watched it for a few minutes. And I was like, absolutely not. I want to take this into the close. And that worked out pretty well. So where's the next trade is what I'm asking, Sean. But right now,
next trade won't be anymore today, So I want to say a big thank you to Fabian today. That was a great opportunity to run the family feud. So thank you. That was a lot of fun, and I think all of us had fun doing that. Thanks, Joe and Sharif. Welcome back, Sharif. Great vacation. It sounded like you had a great time there. So we want to thank him for throwing that back through. Big thank you to Adara for just being part of the chat today. I mean, thank you, Adara, for all that and for all the news that she was dropping us all day as well. Thank you, Obi. I mean, what a good week you had with us. So thank you for all of that, filling in for Sharif and filling in for Neil today.
Look at Intel go, dude. Someone is hitting the ask. We're at 4080s now.
4080s.
4080s now.
What's the next trade? Intel long.
Intel long. There you go. I mean, I can trade Intel 4, right?
What is Obi? Just keep going, man. Don't worry. No one will stop you, my guy. Don't worry about that.
Is there volume? The market hasn't.
Yeah. Just keep going, Obi. I'm telling you, you don't have to stop. Just keep going.
So here's a name that we missed, and shout out to the chat for pointing it out. SMCI with a crazy move into the close. Okay, we can take a quick look at that as well here. Look at that. Absolute madness. Right here, through the day highs. So shout out to anybody who caught that. Yeah, here's the thing, man. We can be here, but this is why we love to have you guys around, because we're not going to catch everything. we're not going to catch everything.
We're not Ash or anything like that over there.
Exactly.
So thank you again for everybody for watching. And of course,
Great week.
A big shout out. I have no idea where she is now. I think she may even be gone here, but Sia, what a fantastic job she did. So I think everybody, thank you for all the nice comments in the chat and very supportive of her. So I think she did an absolutely bang up job. She was nervous coming on screen and looked like a professional. So, you know, all the training that you and I received here.
Of course, yeah.
You know, that's made us the stronger hosts that we try to be every day, but no, just playing around. Everybody here is completely natural, right? I think like traders firsts, and it's such a learning curve. Like even Adair, we actually talked to Adair about this. It's like when you first sit down, there's so much in this world. Yeah. You know, whether or not be, you know, you got to look at the politics of it, then all these stock names, all these indicators, risk management, and just everything. And the news is like a ever ongoing thing. So we want to thank Sia and Adair for all the work that they do. And we're not, I'm not even sure what roles everyone's going to be having moving forward, but that's why it's a fluid thing. And we're just really excited to do it, man. We're live every single day at 8 a.m. So join us again on Monday and you know, have a great weekend. And this is time now on a Friday. Have those leftovers, man. Yeah. You know, these are the turkey, the leftovers in a sandwich. You know, throw that.
Those are the best, dude.
Yeah, make some soup with that turkey, whatever, man. It's the leftovers are the best, but not better Chinese leftovers. I think that's.
I mean, that stuff is like.
I rise to the top.
That stuff never goes bad. I don't think it goes bad.
Well, you might be eting the wrong Chinese food if that's the case, but yeah, you probably are. They do have maybe a little MSG in there. Too much MSG in there, my guy, for that. So, okay, man, yeah, SMX, lots of runners going on.
SMX still going.
Everything's still going, but we're going at it. We're going away. We're getting out of here. So, Obi, again, big show, man. Thank you so much for everything. Fabian, we're about to end. Andre, thanks again for everything. And we said bye to everybody, but most importantly, you know, happy Thanksgiving to you and yours and everybody that continues to support us. Hit the like, hit the subscribe. We'll see you back on Monday morning, 8 a.m. Rise or shine. Please enjoy your weekends. We'll chat then.